I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a...
What's up, world? It's your favorite photographer, Jermaine Horton. I am in Santa Barbara, California. We're at the Ritz-Carlton. This place is phenomenal. Sony just released the 85 G Master 1.4, the second version. You all know the first one. We've been waiting quite some time for them to update this bad boy, and it did not disappoint. I cannot wait for you to take a look at these amazing images that we got from this. So let's dive right on in. So now I'm gonna go to 1.4 and I am going to crush this entire background. This depth of field is amazing. I mean, if you want good, creamy bokeh, the fall off is amazing with this lens. It is stunning. I love how it keeps up with the A1 with these dual linear motors from the 85. It's very impressive. It is sticking with every shot, even through the water. It is capturing her eye. Woo! No, I'm talking to myself on this one. Oh no, I got it.
Ain't nobody else getting that water like this.
All right, y'all, it's a wrap. It's your favorite photographer. We just wrapped up. Oh my goodness, my model is super dope. She got in the water, she did her thing. Water Princess is her name. Matter of fact, I think this is Moana. I really believe this is Moana because, yeah, she mastered the seas today. So, hope you all loved what you saw. Check out this 85. Go ahead and reserve it. Get it ready to put in your bag. This lens is everything. If you love portraits, most people use the 85 for portraits because it's just such a buttery lens. It's the perfect combination of sharpness and also with the autofocus with these newer bodies that Sony has, it is tack sharp and it is sticking to the subject. So, hey, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and share and tell everybody. On that note, catch you next time.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney.